And just like that, we are maybe, Tuesday, a few days away from the upcoming Pisces event. Hi everyone, Gazalelo here, Bondi Guru. I hope you're all doing wonderful. So this is one of the final announcements I'll make for the Pisceans. We have the Pisces event up and coming this Saturday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. live online. There's not that many spots left for the Pisces event. So I wanted to let you guys know, those of you that are asking, because I'm having a lot of questions around the Pisces group. I know I had a conversation recently talking about, hey, I'm even considering having a Pisces group. The Scorpio group, so far, the conversations have been epic for me anyway. And the Scorpio group is pretty much taken care of now. I did make a small kind of mini announcement that there may be a Pisces group, and had so many of you jump on and ask to have a conversation about the Pisces group. During the Pisces event, I'll announce that, and we can talk more about that a little bit later. But I want to tell you why I'm doing the Pisces event. I wanted to get a whole heap of Pisceans in one room together. This is my feeling. When you've got everyone in the room that is the same star sign, the level of I'm awake, I'm here, I'm ready, I'm present changes. It just, something happens in that room when it's all the same star sign. Everyone is paying attention, because it's almost as though whatever anybody in the room shares or questions that they ask is going to be relatable to you. And no one's going to understand you better than your own star sign. At least that's what I feel anyway. And I'm a Piscean. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to create a Pisces event. I want a room full of Pisceans. But I want to talk about the remainder of 2026. Not that it's going to be forecasted, right? As you know by now, it's not about me forecasting what's going to happen in your life. But I did want to talk about the theme of 2026, how that applies to the second half of the year for the Pisceans, how to use that theme, how to align with the energy of the theme for 2026. Each year, every star sign has their own theme based on lessons, opportunities, growth, things of that nature. In fact, my entire work in respect to the star signs, the horoscopes that I do, intuitive horoscopes, it comes from the yearly forecast. It's always about the yearly forecast, the theme, and it trickles down into everything else that I do that is star sign connected. So Saturday, 1st of August, we are getting together with all the Pisceans, or as many Pisceans as we can fit into the one room. You are welcome to ask as many questions as you like. The session will be recorded, PDF guide sent to you after the session as well, which is a part of the Pisces event ticket. And so there's only room for a few more. As soon as the room fills, I'll have to cut the tickets. There won't be any more tickets available. And I think this will probably be the only Pisces event that I'll run this year in 2026. There won't be another Pisces event. So if you're keen, if you want to be in a room with other Pisceans, you want to understand yourself from the inside out based on intuition, present moment awareness from me, then that's the room to be in. Also, one of the biggest things I wanted to talk to the Pisceans about is emotions, their emotions. How a Piscean can face emotions, be present with emotions, and why Pisceans run from emotions. I won't dive into it deeply here. It'll all show up during the 2-hour event that we have. Most importantly, the most exciting part for me is your questions. What questions do you have? Bring those questions with you, and at some point I'll open the doors and do my best to answer as many questions as I possibly can in the space of the time or 2 hours that we have together. Who knows, the 2 hours might be stretched a little bit longer. If that happens, it happens. It's not a big deal. Please let me know if you're interested in the Pisces event. In fact, the link is in bio. If you can't find it, of course, DM me and I will send it to you. It's also on the website, bondiguru.com. But you're welcome to DM me if you're not able to find the link and book your ticket. I'll see you there. Thank you.